It's a message for the second half. Best of luck.
Aku mau masak anjing. Aku masak salad. Ito na sila. Yeah. Kok mau sih? Ano? Yummy.
So, if we do budgets, 5-goal average over such a long period is one of those things. So inside the 50 is Bolton who flies. All the balls are entered. Bolton, McAnally intercepts Bolton into the bicep distance, coming back into this. High ball inside 50. Dan, where are we going to run at it? Crashes the back. Tigers with numbers in front of it. And McIntosh. Very working on him. Puts it back to support. It's Rioli. Now Graham. Miller's going to go against Andrews, who spoils from the back. Miller on the deck. Steps Andrews, does well. Cochin. Now McIntosh will assist for him. It will. Back to Cochin. Interruption inside. Draws Miller the football inside 50. Then within range. Improves the middle and the distance. And finds Homer. It's been a tough night. He's got his task of trying to nullify Harris Andrews. He competed on the wing. He got the 40 ground level. And then he got on his bike back to Honestly, sexual combination, you hope
down the line. Andrews again gets a spoil in. Ashcroft there to clean up the drum. Pickett taken down by Ashcroft. He's going to get a Jude.
Yeah, just watching Noah Cutler, he's not moving all that well with that right ankle issue. He's quite challenged at the moment with running there. And just watching him doing the roll out on the beach as well. It came off really, really well.
normally does. Tumbles out towards that man we've been speaking about. Jack Rico is that right out in front of guys. The Tigers have full stop. Starts a bit strong to Berry, to Bailey. Gets away from Nan Curtis. Then tries the good top end and doesn't quite. Turns it out like Ward. Moves it on quickly. Off game. Front down to Luca Walter. Miguel. Takes the bounce. Gives it off to Ralph Smith. Return. Gains some speed. Takes a little off the kick. Bringing it down by Lockie now.
Ross up behind the ball and all those leading lanes covered. Intercepts the lead kick and spins it wide in his desire to get it to Cumberland quickly. Was maybe hit the kick.
You see fighting there. What happened with Robbie Hills? He worked really hard back, which is a bit of tonic. And then he was kicked to 1v3 with those kicks, and then go back to the ground after missing the kick, go the other bounds.
Brings it inside to Coleman. And they look to set up to switch to the far side of the ground. Pickett's going to get across and try and cause a contest. He does it really well. Gets it to ground, but the numbers there for the Lions. Andrews and Lester, who work it out between them. Starts to extend the support. Spears to hit with the flat-playing Lions.
Moves on that left as he finds it towards half corner line. And that's just inside the 50. Moves on.
So let's hit them again. Pushes up hard to the wing. Make that space behind him. When you look that hard, there's always going to be space behind him.
A little safe down about this for Charlie Cameron. It is a big stretch. And Christian Clark in front of him. Keep spreading it. Sticks the middle. Lines on Savage.
Pasta is ready.
ready.
Second for the turnover.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, yummy.
Yummy.
Midway point of the third. 58 points to margin. Miles goes long.
What's that?
Tries to get the arms free. Third man out was Leicester. Ball dispute on the deck. Dunkley committed the body.
No.
Thank you.
Really?
Uses broad. So 2 on 2 down the line. Accelerates. Tries to get away. Bounced it just for 1 moment. Holding the football. And away comes Cameron. He's got a run on the outside. It's Fletcher. Will go more direct inside 50.
Oh.
Controls it in the air. Gives it to McCarthy. He puts over the top to Danaher.
This salad, really good.
Thank you,
Really
mister.
good.
Just before that, catching with putting in hard yards, desperation tackle. And then the best part of Richmond Lawrence want to do is he took off Richmond himself as well. Back inside.
3 goals. Against the Tigers was last. And the Warriors, that was a chance to put his third tonight. He was pushing across the face. 2 goals to go. Just hit a little bit too hard, I reckon, Joe.
He does like to keep them hard around the corner.
Chosen one from Rioli. Once the defensive 50-yard. Smashes it towards Nankervis. Goal from McKenna. Looks right, pushed up by Pickett, who steps inside, handles over the top. Griffin builds up again. Bolton on the outside, sees Hopper. Couldn't quite get it through, so does most of the hard work himself. Now Pickett gets involved. Hamill meant to hatch, style, finds Taranto. He takes it over the boundary line.
Just get our eyes on Harris Andrews on the bench at the moment. Just in the hands of the doctors. They're just going to check his left knee just to make sure he's nothing too concerned at the moment. They're just unsuccessful at the moment.
Here's Stewart. Starcevich led towards the bench. David Harris has had the knee checked, hopefully. He starts to warm up and get a guess.
Absolutely, Hamish. We're just going to see. It's just been changing the doctor a bit there, but it's going to take a seat on the bench at the moment.
16 left in the third. 9 points to margin. Zeno just fixes that lead. And a bit from the back. Dallas, wheel almost. Bolton tries to slide his way through and does, and then goes to King Clement in the eye. Tonight by the way, Toronto. So the most touches of 15 for them in the midfield. He's up to 32 games, so he's down in his numbers as well. No problem. Strikes it through to Pickett. In their third game, 3 points.
there on the Telstra track and come to Morris territory tonight.
Lewis is a knockdown. Nick Hopper. Quick sweeping handle up to Rioli. Picks it off and tries to get Richmond going again. They finally get back-to-back by Rioli inside to Bolter. And Bolter runs down the skipper. Really ball to the partner who's had a step forward to Wood. Directly now with quick back up that one. Will get involved again. And then the goal, probably a bit stiff. And I think like I said, replay. I reckon it's pretty good. I was scored there and just trying to tackle. I'm not sure he's done. It's really not ready to see.
Finds a space, gives a clever kick off.
The Brisbane defenders there just watching the eyes of Rioli, sat back, expecting a longer kick to the goal square, and just pulled it at the last minute. There's no Liam Baker.
Possibly one or two
The umpire perfect deal, but just probably got missed there.
One chance to get his second for the quarter. Second position, first one a touch further out. Same result.
Yeah.
Before this, 6-3 in terms of clearances to turn through the last 4 goals. Archie, an example. And Ashcroft, Blake's got a hand in, but Grell under enormous pressure. Ralph Smith around the corner. Only one now for Hopper. Goodies and a good last couple of goals. 17 strokes, 70%. Efficiency factors up 50 dollars a partner. This game will be hard. Wayne up to Perry. 26 after the Charlie Cameron goal, second of the lines of this term. Luggage, he's been brilliant tonight, 25th disposal, 85%. Efficiency, brilliant flash, but opposite where he was just as good. And delivered to Daniel, outstanding. He's happy to take him off, keep it towards Jasper Fletcher. 1-on-1 now. How can he handle it, the youngster? Going to go against the bigger, older body of Graham. Just gives the ball from McKenna, couldn't get it to him. What was Surely that was his drop right there.
I'm on the centre and he's kicked it across the outer to the pocket.
He's just about 14 metres.
He wasn't by himself. He had it out.
Force think differently.
I like the mindset of trying to shout for 450.
Ross brought Taranto. Rioli. Can't find an easy target. They can really get under McIntosh and found him easily enough.
After turn the goal, got some movements and fluency for the Tigers. It's been hard to come by. Copper in the middle, picked for it by Archie. Good recovery from here. Spears it to Garrett. Danaher opposite 50. Gets away from Balta. Plays on from 45 out. Keeps it loose. And beats it through.
It's good.
Sometimes it's playful, sometimes it's
Once again, it tells another turnover in the last goal from Joey. Drecky Costley put another that last shot. Already sent it across. Possibly. But he's a beautiful kicker. If you don't take body on ball, you give a bloke like that time and space. He is a beautiful kicker that kicks through the ball.
Danaher. 3-1 now for the night. Bullets it quickly. He's also had a lot of football. Lines that disposed at 90% efficiency and luggage. Over 26 right there. Carp in front of Broad. Well, big kicks from home. Into against Skipper. McElhinney. Running about place two. Runner sets himself on the side too early. Yeah, he replaces the ball. He's got to be good Bailey. There's down him. Looking to speed the bounce. Never time break. Arrives only 5-3. I think it was done by the Cavalier. Kicks. Is this accurate? It is. His second for the year.
It's really interesting about Danaher and Balta. And he's made a good there now, Balta, but at least he's trying to create a clear defensive area. It's another goal from turnover, but I reckon he's been pretty good. Paul just didn't come back. He was trying to create.
Doesn't mean you want someone to try and do something. Yeah, things aren't going away. Yeah, great. Good work, yeah. Excellent.
And he got to Paul, flashing it off the square was Bailey, got past him. Nowhere for Young to go, as he's wrapped up by Archie.
Really, that was probably his first goal since round 3 against the Bulldogs.
Terrific year now. He's McCartney coming away in the midfield. She's about to go out and play something around. He's controlling the scenes. And feeding the likes of Danaher and Hipwood. Where we go back and give for his second. Here's the inside kick again. He had a lot of space here. He walked away into it. Luggage had a really good game. 27 to
disposal. She's kicked the ball really well tonight.
Looking to finish the work. Final minute of the third term. Steers it through.
Toma.
Yeah, mister.
Beautiful. I could maybe have salad and I just it's the perfect amount. But if I eat any more, I'll get too fat. So I don't know. You gonna eat?
Hold on, mister, already. Okay, I put in the...
So put in a bowl because maybe you can let the microwave numpty.
Okay.
If I'll snack tomorrow or something. And your green salad? Oh yeah. Really yum. That. Serratus percent.
Thank you, mister.
Oh, that's good.
Already has one tonight with McCarthy. Really using the football years as a lot taller. And you would think normally this part of his game very, very neatly. So already 11-goal game. Brings it back, another 12-point kick. It's a 72-point margin at three-quarter time.
Where do we come from? What is it that makes us truly human? And what does our future hold? Breakthrough discoveries and new technologies allow us to track the evolution of our ancient ancestors as never before. We don't even look to the stars, only the past. What can our forebears tell us about the human revolution?
The Human Revolution, Sundays on ABC.
Serious comment, that was just perfect.
Celebrate our extraordinary history like never before. Using stories from the latest science, witness previously unseen tales of survival.
My eyes still hungry. And my stomach's saying, stop, Daddy, stop, no more stuff.